Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Adams County, eastern Highland County, Pike County, southwestern Ross County, Scioto County, until 1:15 a.m. At 9:10 p.m., local law enforcement reported flash flooding in Waverly. Water rescues are ongoing. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Portsmouth, Hillsborough, Waverly, Wheelersburg, New Boston, Piketon, Greenup, Marshall, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Lucasville, Clarktown, Rosemount, Cynthiana, Sciotadale, Highland Holiday, Rocky Fort Point, Franklin Furnace, and Rarden. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.